Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to start an Instagram plan. The Instagram plan feature on Reels lets you and a friend enjoy a personalized feed of Reel based on your shared interest. It creates a collaborative, private space that updates daily with content you both might like. To use the plan, open the Instagram app on your mobile phone. Make sure to log in or sign up for your account. Reach the inbox of Instagram and open any chat. You'll find the plan icon at the top. You can see who each reel is suggested for based on each person's activity on Instagram, including the reels that they watch and interact with. When you join a plan, the reels that you send to that chat will inform and update the plan for everyone. Each plan is unique to the people who join. You can leave a plan at any time. Then, it'll send a notification to the other member of the chat. Lastly, you can start using Instagram plan when the other person accepts the invitation to the plan. For more information, check out the links given in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.